You are the host now. Hello, everybody. So today we have our GD, and the topic for GD is reservation of women in public transport. Myself, Preeti, and I'm your moderator for today's GD session. First of all, let's understand what reservation of seats on a public transport like buses for women is. According to me, the first 4-5 rows on one side or the both sides of the public transport, like bus, are reserved exclusively for women. This means that those seats are only for ladies and cannot be occupied by men. According to me, why there is a need for reservation of women in public transport is that I believe that by nature, women have some biological vulnerabilities like fragile physique, menstruation problems, pregnancy, etc. But I also want to include one point. If the seat is vacant, men can use that seat while there is no woman in that transport that time. But as soon as a woman enters that transport, he has to leave that seat as it is reserved for women. There are also other problems cropping up in recent years, that is threats to women's safety. Suppose if in case the women are seated such that they are adjacent to other women, they will be feel more safer. Our government also, to make public transport safe and secure for women, the transport department has decided to reserve 24 seats for women. Yet, questions continue to be raised on why women are given this special privilege, as women are the only one who demands for the equality. Everywhere they demand equality for themselves. Then why here they ask for such kind of privileges, whether it does any good at all? For instance, who support reservations are called hypocritical. Many, including women's, I repeat, many, including women's, insist that reservations should only be for pregnant or elderly women or women carrying children. Other women do not need it and hence should not ask men to vacate reserved seats or compartments. What you all think about this? I want you guys to present your views.
All right. So I am speaking against of this topic that that the reservation of space for women in public transport should not be there. So I respect all the problems of women, but the thing is that you all know very well how the definition of reservation changes with time. Means the basis on which the reservation is done becomes so blurred with time, and later on all the problems are there to face. So this topic, so the reservation should not be there for women.
See, there are rules made and we need to follow the rules, and starting following the rules, we need to start with ourselves. If we start from ourselves, then only something will change. We should not care about others, what the other things, because if the rule is made, we need to follow that. So if there is reservation made for women, there must be a proper discrete reason for that. So we like a proper reason for that why reservations are made. And you have heard that how women feel more safe when they travel with other women rather than sitting with her other male. So I think that it's more of a secure thing that the reservations are made, and I'm in favor of this topic. So I think that it's good enough to uh, like to have reservations.
See, even in today's world, if there are people and a woman with some necessary means, with some necessity of seat came, then the person will vacate the space for the woman. Even if the law is enforced, even if the law is made, like the some part of seat be reserved, then also some men who were not following that, following the man who were not vacating the space will not follow the rule, even now. So there's no difference. Laws should not be just made; they should be enforced. But this reservation system will do no good. The same trend will follow. There will be no change.
I'm in the favor of this topic, but women face many problem like sexual harassment in a public transport, then Amar,
Sorry,
women's
what?
face women's face sexual harassment in a public transport.
Yeah, no, this is a very sad part. But the woman
See,
should be courageous. But the yes, Aditi.
yeah, you continue.
But the woman should be courageous enough to point out the man who she felt like is doing that dirty thing. Don't you think so? Means the woman should come front and point to that man.
I don't
What do
think
you
that she's more powerful as she can pin that man.
Why don't you
I
think
don't think
so?
she's more powerful.
I will not tell you to fight on one to one, but she can at least. There are a lot of men in the public transport, and she can tell her problem to the other man. Don't you think
But
the problem will?
but in today era, no one is helping others.
See, the point is that the harassment thing, that this is the reason why many women do not report these things, because they have a fear that somehow it will fight, like counter attack themselves only. So this is the reason they don't speak. That is why there is reservations, so that they have a right, they can feel more secure by having their right, and they'll feel that, yeah, I have one, I am no more like unequal from men, I am equal to them only, and I have the same rights as them also. So they
No, no. How do you think that point will be enforced?
see
Means how she will know that she is equal to men by
See,
having reserved some seat for
no,
themselves.
you just said that she should fight back themselves or point out to that man. If she would have done that, there was no requirement of reservations only. Because if she would have
Yeah,
done
that's what
that,
I'm
there
saying
would be
now.
very less cases of harassments and all, or this harassment and the things like similar to these. But there are reservations to make them feel safe, that they have a right and they can fight back themselves for that.
Okay, so don't you think so? In one case, a woman is being silent, there's nothing happening to her, and there are still men of such kind. They are still men of such kind. And in second case, there are men of such kind. And if she will point out that to that man, means she point out that man is doing something bad, then the man will be brutally beaten, or he may be thrown out of that public transport even. So don't you think the second one is more favorable? Means second one is more good,
See,
sitting
it's
quiet and
like
letting those
this.
men.
It's like this,
Okay.
that giving safety to any human being does not harm us. So reservation for women, especially like India, it's so necessary, because every day we listen to various molestations cases in every corner of the country. So giving an corner of seat to women does not harm to anyone. It will be beneficial only. Like women have their comfort place. Their family will be secured, that their girl has no problem by traveling in the bus or train.
Okay, so what do you think if there are a lot of women in the public transport who already fill those seats, and there are other men who have, means the bus is, suppose I'm taking the example of a bus and the bus is full, and there came a woman. There are still some men who are standing, and there is almost no space, but a woman stand up the bus, stand in means came into inside the bus. What do you think? What will happen to that law? How will you enforce it?
See, there is a rule made that there are reserved seats. If the seat is not reserved and the man is sitting there, there is no problem. But if the seat is reserved and he is sitting there and he is a young man, then he should initiate, and he should tell the lady or the woman who is sitting there, who is standing there, who he should initiate, and then he should tell her that you can occupy my seat because it's your right only, because this seat is reserved. If there is an older person or elder person sitting on that seat, then we can leave that, because there are different
I'm not talking about that. I'm saying that the bus is full and there is no space for anyone. And there are still some people, some man and woman who are standing in the bus. So how will you enforce your law? Can't there be cases of sexual harassment in
Seats are
that bus?
reserved. Seats are reserved. That's a different
Yes.
case when this bus is full. That's a totally different case.
Sorry.
That's a
I think it is our government law that the women have provided like 10 seats in a public transport. It's a government law.
Yeah.
Then
Still, you all are demanding for more reservation of seats.
Okay, I have a question. If seating really was first come, first serve, why were women here always occupying only the reserved seats and not the general ones? Why do they not claim their rightful space in the general section? Why only the reserved seats?
Because people does not have any kindness, like they will give it to any women. They'll just like, I'm sitting here from bus, so I will not allow you to sit.
See, Aditi, these are the mentality of those people who are illiterate, not illiterate, who have ill-minded people. And those ill-minded people will continue to pertain in this society even after this law is enforced.
But most people's mentality in India is like that only. They are just like male dominated.
So what do you think the enforcing a law will help? The people, those ill-minded people will have fear that if they complain, then I will have to go to jail or something. I don't think so. Because again, in that case, the woman is not so courageous to speak up, as you guys are already saying.
See, India is a male-dominant society, and the question which Preeti just raised now, it was that why not she occupies the general seats, and why she occupies the reserve seats, because she knows that she has a right on reserve seats, so she'll occupy that only. Why to waste time and why to go there on general seats or occupy those seats which are for other people or male or elderly people or children like that? So she'll just go on her right. She will not fight back there. Like she'll not fight back for I'm a general person, so I'll sit there because it's her right to on reserve seat, so she can sit on the reserve seat.
Don't you guys think that reservation does confine women and restrict their full access to public space?
Sorry, reservation of women will restrict their full access to public space. Reservation of women will restrict their full...
Reservation does confine women and restrict their full access to public space. As Smita is saying that they know that they have rights on the reserved seats only, not on the general ones, and why
Not
they waste time?
only on reserve seats, but they know that they have a reserve seat, so why to go on the general seat if the reserve seats is unoccupied? They'll sit there because automatically the seats are reserved for women only, right? So no men will sit there, so that seat will just like it will be like that only. So why it will be unoccupied? So to occupy the seats, women can sit there.
Okay, so the thing is, there are some seats reserved for women. If the seat is full, the woman can sit anywhere in the bus, anywhere in the public transport, right? It's not like these seats are only for women, these seats are only for men. These seats are reserved for women,
No,
and these seats are
like
general.
It's
Anyone can
not
sit
like
there.
that. Only the reserve seats are for women and the rest are for anyone. But still, if
That's what
those
I'm
seats
saying.
are unoccupied, they'll occupy those seats.
Yeah, right. Give some direction to this group discussion.
Okay,
You
tell
know,
me something.
let me raise a point here. I think in Madhya Pradesh or something, I don't know the state exactly. We were talking yesterday only that if there is a SC/ST Act, you know, in the SC/ST Act, if a SC/ST person will complain against a general person that he or she is just complain against a general person, then the general person is sent directly to jail without any kind of statement, without any kind of hearing or anything. The person is clearly sent for jail. Means the SC/ST has that much power. No one used to say anything to those caste of people.
SC/ST has that power. What about the other castes?
See, this is wrong now because there is a law, and these laws are something that exist for a longer time, that exist for a very long time. Means these law cannot be just stopped. Means just cannot be taken. It cannot be taken back, like the reservation of seat in engineering college, like the SC/ST Act. That's why we should be against any kind of reservation, because reservation is thing which
It's-
cannot be taken back.
Reservation for SC/ST is totally different from reservation of women and men. They are totally different and totally
Suppose there
distinct.
is a girl and she falsely complained about that a man is occupying her seat, that a boy is occupying her seat, and the boy is severely punished. Means if the boy is detained to jail or something. What do you think so?
For this small
It's
matter,
not
he is
about
not sent to
complaining.
jail.
Like if you're going in a hotel and if the seats are reserved, we are having the mentality that we will not go on that seat and will sit. Same is to everyone. If the seat is reserved for women, why they will go there and will sit? It's not in crime, but it's our mental thinking.
So what's the problem? It's our mental thinking. So why is there a need for reservation? I'm not able to understand this thing.
Because it gives more safety to a women. Okay.
What if the seat? What if
They
the
will feel
public
more,
transport
more
is full?
safe to sit there, that they are.
See,
I don't think so.
Amar,
A woman.
I'll tell you. What if you see if they yes, Mehak, you can say.
Amar, do you know that India is a fourth ranked dangerous country for a women to go in a public transport? Do you know about that?
No.
India is a fourth ranked dangerous country. So I think
Very
that's
sad.
why reservation should be there for women.
See, Amar,
What if the public transport is full? The women still have to stand upright. Women still have to stand there. Can be cases
then
of
there
sexual
is no option
harassment.
only. Then there is no option only. If the bus is full, there is no option. Where will you sit on the floor?
So there can
Then
be the
there
case of sexual harassment, right?
see the question you are saying that if they sit on general seat, what will happen? This is only right. So what if there is a bus and almost every seats are full, but I'm talking about when there is no reservation.
Okay.
Right now I'm talking about this case. Okay, so in this when a woman, supposingly me, I'm entering a bus and there is no reservation and there is no seat left, only one seat left, and like besides a man, all right, besides a man, and he's a stranger, and I sit beside him, I feel more uncomfortable rather than sitting with a woman. But if there is reservation, I know that only women will sit in that section. When I'll enter the bus and only one reserved seat is left, I'll sit there. And one stranger, also a stranger, is sitting besides me, a woman, but I'll feel more comfortable rather than sitting with a man.
Why do you
Don't you think
think? Why do you think making this law will make a man will stop a man from sitting at the place? If suppose
it's good?
there can be two cases, there are more number of men. There are more number of men. Okay, if there are more number of men, they will occupy most of the seat rather than thinking of that seat is reserved for one because there is no space in a bus. So they will sit on the available space. And if there comes a woman, why do you think they will leave their seat? And if there is some seat already existing, if there is some seat already vacant, so why will they leave their place? And the second case, if there is less man, if there is less man, there are already some seats vacant. So women can go and sit there. So what's the problem?
Reservations are totally for those because these crimes are happening, sexual harassment, rape cases, everything is happening. This is the reason, this is one of the main reasons why these reservations are there, and also for some biological reasons which women face. For these reasons, specifically for these reasons, reservations are made for those women. That this is the reason.
But one thing, if a woman has some kind of problem and she asks for a man to vacate his seat, man will vacate the seat. And if suppose that kind of person who have that mentality that if it is my seat, why will I leave it? So that kind of man will not leave the seat even after the law is made. That's what
What
I'm
will you
saying.
do? What will you do if you're sitting in a bus and a pregnant woman comes beside your seat and there is no seat vacant? What will you do? You'll sit down there, or you'll stand
No.
up and give your seat to him, her.
I will stand up and give my seat to her. And then she
You'll
will
do
be,
that, right?
yes.
So that is the reason reservations should made, because the seats will already be vacant, right? They're already be vacant there.
That's what I'm saying. The seat will not be vacant. If there is a lot of men in the public bus and there are vacant space, the man will go and sit in the vacant space rather than standing in the bus like this. Don't you think
Amar,
so?
Amar, everyone do not have a same mentality as you are. And
Exactly what
I'm
I want to
saying.
say.
That's
See,
what I'm saying.
everyone is not good as you. Every man is not same. So what if
What if?
what if
50% of
these rules were not there? Do you believe that all men will treat the women as same as you are saying?
No. Even if the rule is there, no man will treat the man as same like I am doing. That's what I'm saying. That's it. That's all.
Amar, ask to your family, like a
Sorry.
woman in your family, may they will be agree on this point,
No.
and ask to the
Never.
family whose girls are raped. They will be favor in this topic.
Okay,
that
sorry.
the
Just tell me one thing. How does the reservation of space in how the reservation of space in the public transport for women will stop crimes like rape? Tell me one point. How will it stop it?
that
Harassment,
there should be a
not rape,
CCTV
but
camera in
harassment.
the bus. Like camera in the bus should be there.
So why why the need for reservation?
Each and every bus cannot support cameras, cannot afford cameras.
Amar, you are saying that why there is a reservation of, why are you totally against this? What is there any
No,
concrete
no.
reason?
yeah,
Is
There's
there
no
a
concrete
concrete
reason,
reason?
but
from this.
the thing that I'm trying to say is there is no concrete reason for reserving space for women in public transport. That's what all I'm saying. There's no concrete reason for reserving space. Yes, Aditi,
There
you
are
were saying
so many
something.
reasons, Amar. Like their safety matters the most. Also, their condition. They are not so capable every time. They are having so much problems. There are lots of reasons why the seats should be reserved.
So tell me one thing now. If there are a lot of men in the
Alright,
bus
I'll
and it
tell
is
you one.
occupied, they will not
I'll
sit
tell
there.
you
They
one
will
more
sit. You
case.
will sit there. Okay.
Wait, I'll tell you
You
one more case. If there is no reserved seats and you sit beside a man and he has a very creepy mentality, very different kind of mentality, dirty minded, and he is touching you inappropriately.
man. Okay. All right.
Another girl touching.
Okay.
All right, what will you do if there is no reservation?
Please restart the.
Repeat the question.
Rephrase your thing. Repeat your question.
I'll do it. See,
Oh God.
if
A
there is,
man will touch me.
see
You're
if
saying something.
if there is a
If-
seat
Yes,
vacant besides a man, uh, and you sit there, a woman sit there, and he is touching that woman inappropriately, then what will you do?
I will just. I will just stand in front of my seat and I will go and I will occupy that. I will tell the woman to go to my seat and I will occupy that seat of woman. That's it.
So you will do
Will you
this.
say
And
always?
what if the seats are already reserved and women will
What?
sit in the section?
Sorry, what?
What if the seats are already reserved? You will not
So
have
I
to
am
do
not
first
sitting
place.
on someone's lap. I have my own seat and I just stand up from my seat. Now my seat is vacant and I go to that woman and told her that she can take my seat and I can sit in place of her.
You will not
And
be
then
there
that woman will
always.
touch
You will
me.
not be everywhere. You will not be everywhere, Amar. You'll not be everywhere. And if there is a reserved seat, that woman will sit there. Even if that seat is vacant, seat beside her is also vacant. And even if it's occupied, then a woman will sit there and she will not harass that woman only. Think that.
The whole problem is of women's
If-
safety.
If the men are less, there are some space and the woman will go and sit there. Suppose what is the guarantee that the man will vacant his seat? Suppose the man is sitting there and that is the only place. And so you are saying that there are some places already reserved for women and those are vacant. Okay, so means the number of men in the bus are less. This clearly implies that the number of men in the bus are less. That's why they are not occupying that seat. Then the women go and sit there. What's the problem? And if the number of men are more and then the men will occupy those seats because they were not going to just stand like this. They will just go and occupy those seats. And if a woman came, what is the guarantee that the man will just stand up from his position? Means give space to the woman. If the man is of that mentality.
But there is only less women traveling in a public transport.
You want to
Then
say
I-
that the real
don't-
problem is not that few seats or compartments are reserved for women, but the lack of de-reservation of public or male spaces.
That's what I said. I said there's no guarantee that that making this law will do something good. Still, the same problem will persist. That's what all I'm saying.
Like you were
same.
saying something.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Mehak, you were saying something.
I want to say that I think like more men are traveling in a public transport than women's. Like women's are busy in their household work. Like less women are working. So I don't think that
Yes.
there will be a more women in a transport than a man.
Right,
There will be always a more number of men in a public transport, and
right.
it's a fact.
It is. Sorry.
It's a fact.
FACT.
It's a fact.
Fact.
It's a, yes, right. Fact. I agree.
So what do you want to say, Mac?
He agree, then I don't want to say anything. I make him agree.
Yeah, I agree at those points.
That's why
Give some direction.
that's why only few seats are reserved for women, not the whole seats or the larger number of seats. Because the majority of the population is of men who are traveling in public transports.
Yes, right.
So
Right.
did everyone have
See,
Pointed at
everyone needs to change their mentality, be it women or be it men. Not only
So
women
the
are harassed,
reservation
even
will
men
not
are harassed.
benefit. Yes, right.
They actually do. So, but
Yeah.
majority are men, so they need to change their mentality over other people or other women, so that there is some more of a safety or security for those women. Even if there is no reservation, still they need to change their mentality. This is one of the
Yes.
main reasons. This is one of the main reasons why there is reservation. That because mentality of men are very different, and not everyone is like Amar. So yeah, so yeah, this is the one of the main reasons why reservations should be there in public transports. Be it very less number of seats reserved for women, but still there should be seats reserved. This is my
It's
point.
already in trend. There is a reserved department for the women's, and it was just full of women's only. Like it's not like that majority of men are traveling. Women's do travel.
Even women are completing their household work, like washing utensils, get up at 5 p.m., take care of their family, like children's, their family and in-laws, and after that they go to their work. And even then you think that there should be no reservation. Do you believe
No,
that?
no, no. I'm not saying this thing that, yeah, I agree that women do more work than a man on an average. But this is not something like that. We should reserve the seats for women. Why is that so? There
It
are
does
some
not
men.
give any harm,
You
normal.
have to feel their pain.
It
Like
would
they are
be
doing
just
all the
giving more
household work.
safety to women. So
He's one at a time. Okay. Anyone?
Sorry.
Aditi
continue.
and Mac.
Aditi, you
No,
can
You have
no.
yeah, or Mehak, you were speaking. Mehak, you can continue. Then afterwards, Aditi, you can speak.
I just want to say that you have to feel the pain of the women that they are doing all the household work. Even so, I think that there should be a reservation. As if she go to a his like if she go to her office or a school, then boss and the student also want that our ma'am should be like fresh and energetic. So
Yes.
if there will be a reservation, then she can she can sit freely and she can be take a she
What
can
is the
take
guarantee? What is
what
the guarantee that she can sit freely? That's what I'm saying from the start. What is the guarantee that she can sit freely? If there is space left, then she will sit freely. If there is less space, then what is the guarantee that the man occupying the reserve seat will get up from the that seat and then give that seat to woman?
Because it's the
but
right.
no
It's the right
question.
that woman. It's woman's right that woman right that they are the ones who can occupy those seats because it's made for them only. It's reserved for them only. So if there is less
But
space,
but many of the people will not follow that rule, and those people will follow that rule for whom the
People
law
do
is
follow
not
rule, Amar.
mandatory.
In
then
train also,
they
people
change
does
their
not
mind.
go to the women's section. They do follow. Why they will not follow the rule?
Now, there are men who will give their seat to women, even if they ask them once. All right, and those men will follow the rule. There are some men who will not follow the rule even after women asking them to vacate the seat. Okay, and those men will not follow the rule also, law also.
I
Women's
don't
will
believe
make them
that
to follow the rule.
I don't
Sorry,
believe
what?
that every man is the same. I don't believe.
Very good. You should not believe. I agree.
They're not even same. So
Yeah,
yeah,
not all women are
yeah,
also
it's
same.
a fact that every
Not
human
every
has a
person
different
is different in
mentality.
their own way.
Yeah.
Yeah, universal statement. Yes, moderator, give some direction.
So basically, what I want to say is that not all women needs reservations, right, Amar? It's not necessary that women get all the reservations. The women who are facing problems, like reservation should only be made for those women who are pregnant or the old ones. Not all the women need these reservations.
These things are very evident. Those people will vacate the seat anyway.
Sometimes they don't.
Most people
Until
means those people who are supposed to vacate the seat.
pressure is not put on them, they
Sorry,
don't do.
please repeat.
Until and unless there is no pressure or there is no threat on them, like if rules are made, then they are under threat. Yes, there are rules and they need to be follow those rules. Otherwise, they will be punished. So if
The
rules will be
only
there,
thing, according to me as a man, that a man will be worried about is that there are other men there are other people in the bus and what they will think about that person if he is not following that rule. That's the only thing that a man will worry about. Okay, means there's nothing
They
much of
will
a
then
law.
follow the rules, even though they are thinking of their self-respect and all things. Then they should follow the rules. If they know that he'll think that he'll be humiliated in front of many people, so he should get up from that seat and then sit somewhere.
That's what I am saying now. If a woman asks a man that to vacate a seat, a man will still, if a man denies, then there is still some humiliation of the man. He know that most of the people in the bus, what they will feel about him, what sort of person he is. Right? Don't you think so?
See, this is a need that we should not force them to vacate their seats because it's our right on that. they should think themselves that if a woman is entering
Yes.
the bus, they should get up from that seat, and then even if I am sitting on the reserved seat and an elderly woman comes in that bus or transport, I'll get up from my seat and then give my seat to them. Even if there is
Yes.
not, it's not an elderly woman, if there is an elderly
Humanity
man,
matters.
Amar,
elderly
Yes.
man, then I'll get up from my
Yes.
seat, even if it's
It's
But
reserved.
on
not
I'll
all
get
the
up.
women are like you.
Amar, do you forget about
But it's
Nirbhay
on
case
our
in
mentality,
gang
like
rape?
if
Do you forget about Nirbhay case?
What happened?
Nirbhaya case is some different.
And in the
Not
gang
What
rape,
some
happened?
rights.
in Delhi. You
In
don't know about
Nirbhaya case, in
In a
Nirbhaya
bus.
case,
What?
there were 4
How?
people in that bus,
There is
and
no connection.
Okay,
There
okay,
is
okay.
no
So
connection
according,
between rape and reservations. There is no
okay,
connection.
so according to
yeah,
Smita
actually there
and
is no
Mehak, if they have a
connection.
reservation, those 4 men will sit at their place and a woman will silently sit at her place, right? That's what you think.
There
There is
should
no connection in
be
between these two topics. No connection. You should
Yeah, because
understand
people
this.
mentality will be the same,
Yes, no
still
connection.
will be the same. So yeah, there is no.
Always. It totally depends on the person.
So stop comparing those rape cases with this reservation one.
Yes, Mehak.
Had
So
everyone
at last, what I would like to say about this, that the reservation won't do much, but if there is some possible, because what I think that this thing becomes a necessity, the reservation will become the necessity, and then it can lead to some drastic results. What if this law becomes so powerful that even if a woman complain about a man, the man will be arrested? All the women, all the girls may take revenge with the boys. Most of the girls, many of the girls are like this. I know. Not all girls are like you all.
See, there are different cases like these only because we give more priority to women because we think that women are fragile and cannot fight for themselves. Many women are like that. So that is why we have given reservation so that they have some of like, see, that's the thing I'm talking about, the mentality. Even women mentality are not same. Even they think that they can uh, like uh, blame the other person
Yeah,
even if
I'm getting your point.
he has not done anything, but still. So the thing is mentality, though there should be reserved seats, but the main thing is that there should be a good mentality of everyone.
Yeah,
mindset
that's what is
should be
required.
Guys, at last, I want to say that our Prime Minister, like late Bahadur Shah, has implemented the reservation in public transport, and even in Delhi, Kolkata, and Mumbai, the reservation is implemented. So I think there should be reservation in public transport, like buses and train.
You want to say, Mehak, that
So I would
because the government has implemented the reservations, that's why there is a need of reservation for women.
No, I just want to say that there is a used. That's why they implement this law.
Yeah, I think she said there is a need, that's why the government implemented it.
Yeah.
And they implemented it. Okay.
Aditi, you were saying something.
Yeah, I was just saying that reservation means does not that we have to make a proper law or something. Just the some seats are reserved for the women, and it's on the man's attitude or sentiments. We can say that if they are sitting on a reserved seat, and if a woman came, then they should stand and go to some other place. That if it is the reserved for women,
Yes,
no
right.
law is necessary, I think. But yeah, it
Yeah,
should be
right.
reserved. Yeah.
So I think we are done.
So everyone is done?
It's all about
Sorry, Mehak.
I don't want.
Aditi was speaking.
no.
You're done?
Conclusion is that the reservation should be there only for the safety purpose.
But rather than these moral values and the ethical classes and like yoga and meditation should be made mandatory in all schools. These are few basic things that are not implemented in any school. Means they are not taken as a course, but they should be right from the childhood.
Good values should be taught to everyone in school.
Now it's another topic for debate.
By parents as well.
Yeah, it's connecting to the mentality.
Values are
Yeah, everything related to the mentality of the people.
it's a game of mentality. People of India should understand.
Okay then. So reservations does contain women's, and sometimes it also restrict their full access to public space. But still, in reserved sections, women traveled with lesser anxiety and occupy space comfortably. So what I think that the real and larger problem is not that a few seats or compartments are reserved for women, but also the lack of de-reservation of public and male spaces. The extra hurdles of periods, sexual harassment in public vehicles that a lady overcomes when she commutes daily. For some, it is only exhaustion, but for one who is facing it is a much more problem. So if the reservations were not given, I don't think that would anyone promise to leave the seats for a, not everyone leave the seats for a pregnant woman. So I guess rules are necessary because people are not sensitive enough to understand the problem of women's. Also, I think the whole conversation ends at a point that the mindset of the society should be changed. This
One more
is one
point.
major.
Okay, one more point. The problem is that people taking advantage of the law that are given to them. That's the only problem of a law came into action. Don't you think so? Means a woman, even if she is not pregnant, she may say that she is pregnant 2 months or anything, I don't know. She is pregnant and she may occupy seats. There is always some negative side, or there is always some kind of thing that a woman can use to take advantage of that law. I mean, there are problems in that point only. But even if there is a bus in which there is reservation for women, there is a bus, there is no reservation for women. A woman will choose the one that has the reservation. That's correct. So that's what I want to talk about. Thank you. No more comment, please.
Some laws have advantages, then some laws have also disadvantages. If someone using it for good purpose, someone is also using it for a bad purpose. So that doesn't mean that law should not be made. That doesn't mean that if something is going for a good and something is and for the same something is going for bad, the good one should be changed. It's not like that. So the main point is that seats should be reserved, but mindset should also be changed. If we are capable of understanding problems, these rules or restrictions must not be needed. So here we end up with our conversations. I would like to thank you all for presenting your views. Thank you. We really had a wonderful discussion. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Stop
you.
the recording.